Have you been waking up at 2 or 3 in the morning, staring at the ceiling, unable to drift back to sleep? Feeling your heart race a little, your joints ache, your thoughts spiral? You're not alone. As we age, deep sleep becomes harder to achieve, and many seniors spend more time tossing and turning than actually resting. But here's something most people don't know. Nature holds a gentle, delicious, and affordable secret. And it's not sleeping pills or a meditation app. It's seeds. Yes, humble seeds. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 specific seeds that seniors can eat just before bed to calm the nervous system, regulate sleep hormones like melatonin, and bring back that deep, uninterrupted, healing sleep you've been missing. And this isn't just theory. I've seen real seniors transform their nights with these tiny sleep-saving powerhouses. So get comfortable, maybe grab a warm drink. Because what I'm about to share could be the most important bedtime advice you hear all year. Let's start by understanding what's really going wrong with sleep in our golden years. You see, deep sleep isn't just about being tired. It's about chemistry. As we age, our body produces less melatonin, our magnesium levels drop, our cortisol spikes become unpredictable. And anxiety from aches, loneliness, and changes in life can all gang up against us the moment our head hits the pillow. You may fall asleep fine, but staying asleep? That's the challenge. Especially for seniors over 60. You need something that works with your body, not against it. Pills often mask the problem, and worse, leave you groggy, dependent, or confused in the morning. But what if you could naturally support melatonin, serotonin, GABA, your brain's calming chemicals, all by chewing a few tiny seeds after dinner? Let me introduce you to the first seed on our list. Pumpkin seeds. These little green gems are packed with magnesium, a mineral that relaxes muscles, calms nerves, and helps regulate your sleep cycle. Magnesium is often called nature's Valium for a reason. But here's the magic part. Pumpkin seeds also contain tryptophan, an amino acid your body converts into serotonin and then melatonin. It's like a direct path to dreamland. I once had a 72-year-old woman named Clara, a retired librarian, who had Dan tea slept through the night in over a decade. I told her to roast a handful of pumpkin seeds with a sprinkle of sea salt and eat them about an hour before bed. Within a week, she said she was falling asleep faster and waking up less. Within a month, she was sleeping a full 6 to 7 hours and said her joint stiffness even improved. Now, let's move to the second superstar seed, chia seeds. You've seen them in smoothies or puddings. But did you know they're one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids? Omega-3 South are anti-inflammatory and help regulate cortisol, the stress hormone that spikes at night and keeps us awake. But chia seeds also deliver calcium, magnesium, and zinc, all crucial for sleep regulation. The gel-like consistency they form when soaked also makes them perfect for bedtime digestion. A gentleman named Harold, 68, started mixing 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in warm almond milk with a dash of cinnamon. He called it his sleep potion. After 2 weeks, not only was his sleep deeper, but his acid reflux at night had vanished. His words, not mine. I sleep like I'm back in my army bunk, but with less snoring. The third seed is a bit more exotic, but don't underestimate it. It's poppy seeds, often misunderstood. Poppy seeds in small food-grade quantities are completely safe and have been used for centuries as a gentle sleep aid. They contain small amounts of alkaloids that help soothe the nervous system and reduce restlessness. In traditional Ayurvedic medicine, warm poppy seed milk is a bedtime staple. If you struggle with racing thoughts or restless legs, poppy seeds may be your new best friend. Doris, a 75-year-old widow from Michigan, was skeptical at first. But after adding half a teaspoon of ground poppy seeds to her bedtime porridge, she noticed a calming effect that kicked in within 30 minutes. She said it felt like her mind stopped chattering. For seniors dealing with overthinking and nighttime anxiety, this can be life-changing. Our fourth miracle seed, flax seeds. These tiny brown seeds are rich in lignans, omega-3 south, and B vitamins, all of which support hormonal balance and brain health. They also promote serotonin production, and as many seniors know, mood and sleep are deeply linked. If you're feeling down or blue at bedtime, flax seeds can lift you up, gently and naturally. Ground flax is best, as the nutrients are easier to absorb. A warm banana flax smoothie or even flax mixed into yogurt makes a perfect sleep snack. My client Eugene, age 70, was battling nighttime awakenings and mild depression. He started adding 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed to his evening oatmeal, and the results were stunning. "I'm not only sleeping," he said, "I'm dreaming again. Real vivid dreams I haven't had since my 40s. And now, our 5th and final seed, and perhaps the most underrated, sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are rich in tryptophan, magnesium, and healthy fats, the perfect trio for sleep. But there's more. They also contain tyrosine, an amino acid that balances stress hormones and supports dopamine production. In other words, they not only help you fall asleep, they help you wake up happier. It's a simple sesame snack, like tahini on toast or roasted sesame balls, can ease you into a calm, relaxed state. Eleanor, a delightful 80-year-old jazz singer, told me she used to hum lullabies while staring at the ceiling. Now, after eating her sesame treat, she falls asleep before finishing her song. Let's take a moment and reflect on something important. These seeds are not magic pills. They're gentle nudges to your body's own rhythm, restoring balance, calming your nerves, and quietly whispering to your brain, it's time to rest. And they're doing it without side effects, without addiction, and without confusion in the morning. But don't just take my word for it. Let's talk science for a moment. Studies from the National Institutes of Health show that magnesium-rich foods significantly improve sleep quality, especially in older adults. Tryptophan-rich diets have been linked to higher serotonin and melatonin production, and omega-3 south from seeds like chia and flax have been proven to lower nighttime cortisol. It's not guesswork, it's biology. You may be wondering, how do I use these seeds effectively? Simple. Rotate them. Try pumpkin seeds on Monday, chia pudding on Tuesday, poppy seed porridge on Wednesday, flax oatmeal Thursday, and tahini toast Friday. Keep it tasty and easy. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons is often enough. Pair it with a warm caffeine-free tea like chamomile or lemon balm, and you have a recipe for true rest. And here, as a little bonus tip, add a pinch of sea salt to your nighttime seed snack. Why? Because a small amount of natural salt can help balance adrenal function and prevent those 2 a.m. wake-up spikes. It's an old trick from herbalists, and it works. Before we end, I want to speak to those of you who feel hopeless, who've tried everything. White noise, pills, blackout curtains, and nothing seems to work. Please don't give up. Your body is wise. It remembers deep sleep, even if it's been a while. And with gentle, consistent support, it can return to that place of peace. Seeds are small, but they carry big medicine. They ground you, they nourish your brain, they balance your hormones. They bring ancient healing to modern problems. So tonight, instead of dreading the dark, try embracing it, with a handful of seeds by your side. Let your body remember how it feels to fall into a deep, healing slumber. Let your mind quiet. Let your breath slow. Let sleep come to you naturally, just as it should. And when you wake up refreshed, without that foggy, heavy-headed feeling, you'll know something wonderful has shifted. Your body is healing. Your sleep is returning, and you are not alone. Thank you for watching, and if this helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Health Hackers. Share this with someone you care about who's struggling with sleep, and in the comments, let us know. Which seed are you trying first tonight? Stay restful, stay strong, and sleep well, my friend.